day, my dear students. Is everyone okay? I hope you are doing well. But before we start our discussion, can anyone guess what is this all about? It is shown, or this picture shown about the life cycle of a frog. Today, we are going to look at the life cycle of a frog. This diagram shows the different stages of development. The first development is what we call the frog spawn. Frog lays their eggs in the water or wet places. A floating clump of eggs is called the frog spawn. The second development is what we call the tadpole. Tadpole has a long tail and lives in the water. It must rely on its camouflage to protect it. The tadpole also faces danger by being eaten by other water animals. After 5 weeks, the tadpoles begins to change. The next development is a young frog. Over time, the tadpole become even more frog-like. It has a shed, its skins and lips. The tail becomes much smaller and the legs grow. The lungs begin to work. The last development of a frog is called adult frog. 11 weeks after the egg was laid, a fully developed frog with lungs, leg, and no tail emerged from the water. This frog will live mostly on land, but occasionally swims. The tiny frogs begin to eat insects and worms. The female lays the eggs, the male fertilizes them, and the whole process begins again. Since I am done with my discussion, do you have any clarification or questions with regards to the life cycle of a frog? I have here some questions and you need to answer this. Question number 1. Frogs lay their eggs in ponds. What do we call their eggs? A. Frog's pound. B. Hen's egg. C. Tadpole. The correct answer is number 2. What has this tadpole grown? Arms, legs, fins, claws. What is the first stage of a frog's life cycle? And the correct answer is letter A, eggs. Next question is a tadpole moves by using its blank. The answer is letter B, tail. So that would be all. Thank you. I hope you learned something today. See you on our next lesson. God bless and thank you for listening.